Oh, be careful doing this. Don't hold your hand over it like this and then drill into it, because you'll probably poke it right into your hand. I should probably actually be setting this on something and drilling into it, but I don't have anything here, and I'm trying to hold it so you can see it on camera. See the risks I put myself at for you? But yeah, you wanna, if you're going to be stupid like me and hold the thing while you're drilling it, keep your hands away from the line of fire when the drill bit pokes through. Okay?